What's up guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Steam on your PC and how to create account on Steam. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do, just open this site. I'll leave you this website in description of video. When you open this site, you will see here install Steam. Click this, save installation. When you downloaded Steam setup, just open it. Go yes, a new window will open. You will see here welcome to Steam setup. Just go here next, choose English language and go next. Go install. Just wait for install process. When you install Steam on your PC, you will see here complete setup. Check this run Steam and go finish. Okay guys, when you install Steam on your PC, open new Steam and new window will open. And you see here sign up with account name. In this case we don't have account, just go here and click create a free account and type your email here, choose your country and go here I'm not robot, check this and check this also and go here continue. And you see message verify your email address. Go to your email and click confirmation link. New message will come to your email, just click here verify my email and you see here email verified. Just go back and go here continue. When you log in on your Steam like me, in right corner you will see your name and your profile. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe. I see you in next video. Bye guys.